In this video of how to guide, I'm going to show you the way that you can summarize or paraphrase text on ChatGPT. If you have longer text that you want to summarize and know the main points of, then ChatGPT can help you in summarizing these texts in simple words for you. So let's firstly head over to ChatGPT. Now firstly what you need to do is paste in the text that you want to summarize. Once you paste in the text, you just need to give in the commands such as summarize. So I've just typed in summarize them in points and you can hit enter. So this way ChatGPT will give you the main points of the topic that you've added in. And because I've asked the ChatGPT give me the answer in points or to summarize them in points, it gives me exact points that are important on this topic. But if you don't want it in points, you can remove the points option and you can just type in summarize and it's going to give you a short paragraph of the summary. So that's the way that you can summarize text on ChatGPT. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.